This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the auto RTH or return to home altitude on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the flight interface, then open settings, select the safety category on top, scroll down and look for the auto RTH altitude adjustment. Now you can set it to be anywhere between 20 meters and 120. In short, this option sets at what altitude your drone will fly once the return to home protocol is in action, enabled. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.